Ingredients: 1. 4 pounds chicken boneless. 2. 2 cups dal chana. 3. 1 large onion. 4. 1-inch piece of ginger. 5. 12 pieces garlic. 6. 1 green hot pepper. 7. 2 teaspoon or per taste. 8. 1.5 teaspoon red pepper powder. 9. 1 teaspoon black pepper. 10. 1 teaspoon cumin powder. 11. 1 teaspoon coriander powder. 12. 2 pieces cinnamon sticks. 13. 8 cloves. 14. 2 black cardamom. 15. 2 eggs for mixture. 16. 1 egg when frying. 17. Half cup fresh coriander chopped. Soak the dal chana in water for a few hours. Then drain it. In a large pot, add boneless chicken, soaked dal chana, onion, ginger, garlic, green hot pepper. Add the spices: salt, red pepper powder, black pepper, cumin powder, coriander powder, cinnamon sticks, cloves, and black cardamom. Add enough water to cover everything. Mix well with hands. Cook on medium heat until the chicken and dal are tender. This may take about 30 minutes 40 minutes. Cook until all water has dried up and let it cool. Add 2 eggs. Using chopper mix till reaching hard dough consistency. Transfer the mixture to a mixing bowl. Add freshly chopped coriander to the mixture. Mix until everything is well combined. Take small portions of the mixture and shape them into round or oval patties. Beat egg in a bowl. Use this to coat kababs when frying. Heat oil in a frying pan over medium heat. Fry the kababs in the hot oil until they are golden brown and crispy on both sides. Remove the kababs from the pan and place them on a plate. Serve the gluten-free chicken Shami Kabobs hot with your favorite dipping sauce or chutney. Enjoy your delicious gluten-free chicken Shami Kabobs. Thank you for using the gluten-free chicken Shami Kabob recipe. Happy cooking! You can pause this video, and it will guide you through the steps to make gluten-free chicken Shami Kabobs. Remember to adjust the quantity of ingredients as needed. Enjoy your meal. Don't forget to subscribe, like and share this video.